Alright guys, magbabike down muna kami. Since tapos na ang duty and walang pasok ang ating mga bossing. Habang wala pang ulan kasi mamaya uulan na naman ng malakas. Kita niyo yung mga baha na yan. May state of calamity na dito sa Ashern dahil sa baha. Picture?
Ilian, come on here.
Yung remote niya nandito na.
Padyan pa. Beep, beep!
Paano picture? Oh.
Ikaw magano. Doon ka sa labas sa kabila ka. Tara. Ilian, look. Ilian, move backwards.
Ay, hindi ko na ano yung salamin ko.
Ilian, move backwards a bit. Move backwards a bit. You'll just look. Ay.
Okay,
Go.
picture. Babalikan ko yung salamin ko. Iniwan na ako ng dalawa sa kaya nagpunta yun. So kahit na may baha dito sa Ashern, tuloy pa rin ang bike. Life goes on. Binaha yung basement namin kasi hindi gumana yung pump. Kagabi bago kami matulog wala pang baha. Kasi umulan at malakas, pagising namin baha na. Hindi pala gumana yung pump ng basement. So hindi naman siya ganun kagrabe pero let's go. Since nagyaya si manager na magbike, hindi magbabike tayo. Maya masakit na naman ang puwet yan.
Push the button.
Okay, since tayo tatawid, tayo ay magpupush
Push the button.
at maglalakad. That's the proper way kasi yung ibang nagbabike diretso lang. Faster na.
Want me to go faster? Wait! No, not there. Huwag ka sumakay dyan. You're still at the pedestrian. Pakikinuha ko lang din sa kalabangan mo. Yan, sige.
Because they said the family that bikes together is happier. Ang dami ngayong truck na naglilipot dito. Pinapump yung mga sinasaksyon yung mga manhole. Kasi punong-puno talaga ng tubig. Wala nang maagusan yung tubig. Yung mga groundwater ng Ashern. Kasi yung sewage system is puno na din, mag-overfill na. Kaya nagsisipagbahaan. Pero kahit ganun pa man, bike pa din. Oh, nice truck. Hello. So one of these days, dahil summer na, I'm planning to have my long hour drive using this bike for exercise. Kailangan magbanat tayo ngayong summer para makapag-exercise tayo. And lose some weight. Kasi medyo nag-gain na tayo ng weight eh. Oh no. Hello. Good. Yeah.
We're planning to buy.
I don't know. I'm just following you guys. Another truck na naman. Dami na lang sinisip-sip na tubig yan lang. Yan yung mga taga-sip-sip ng septic tank.
Daming binaha dito.
Kasi itong mga to, hindi umaagos. Walang pinupuntahan tubig, kaya nandun pa rin nakastuck yung mga tubig. Lulusot pa rin yan sa ilalim ng basement. Pamba dito. Look at the water, guys. So yung mga tubig na yan, once na umilalim yan sa lupa, pupunta yan sa mga basement, kaya binabaha yung mga basement. At pag hindi gumana yung mga pump ng mga basement, yun, babahain talaga.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, John? Are we just gonna leave the fire there? I think that's the house. Huh? This is not the house. I'll go. I'll turn around.
Are you the youngest?
No, I'm the oldest.
Oh, you're the oldest. What's your youngest?
Josiah, the boy who said hi. Oh, I thought you said it's Elijah. Oh.
Also, you have playmates here, just in case.
Sorry. Hey, sorry. You said it's
Yeah?
Elijah. Elijah, I think it's
Jordana's brother.
Yeah, Jordana's brother. Wait!
Alright, let's go. Are they home already?
My parents are home, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so hi to
Joanna, I
them.
have a great idea. Sit down. No, Joanna, stop. Bye. Wait, I think
Oh, brown bag. Ay pala yung brown bag. Ano daw?
Oh, that looks ugly.
So guys, ito pala yung house na type naming bilhin.
Let's go, let's go.
Kaso baka mukhang nag-change ng mind si manager kasi pinabaha din.
Asan na yun? Anak mo?
Gusto niya flawless. Walang ano,
Ayoko maglibas tuwing naulan.
gusto niya walang diferensya ang bahay pag binili.
Ay, ikaw gusto mo different na.
Baka naman ayusin nila.
Ayun, asan ang anak mo?
Ayun na, kausap na yung kanyang ano, future playmate. Are you classmates?
No, he's in kindergarten.
Oh, he's in kinder. How old are you?
5. No, 6.
6.
Oh, cool.
So Ilian is older,
Yeah, he's just
1 year older. How many siblings do you have?
Only...
just one sister?
I might have 3 or 6.
You might have.
3 or
Are,
6.
you're not sure?
I don't know what.
Okay, that's okay. Say,
All right.
say hi. Hi. Say hi to your mom and
You
dad.
wash your feet.
What?
See, you're itching now. Wash your feet because you went to the flood water.
Say hi. Say hi to your mom and dad.
Okay.
Uulan na naman.
Wala na naman, di pa naayos pa somehow. Go on the other side, please.
Nagpapala pa kami ng tubig sa basement. Uulan na naman.
Tayo, nakalimutan ko sa papilit. Tinapay.
What? Yun? May tinapay pa dun ah.
At tinapay ko naman kay Amag, ma.
So, according to the weather forecast, uulan pa hanggang Friday. Sabi ng mga old residents dito, ngayon lang daw binaang Asher ng ganito. Ayan dyan oh. Sa left.
That way.
Nanay wants to see the house of the ano.
Faster than here, Lobo.
So dapat ang sinisip-sip nila. Touch it! Touch it! Come on!
Oh, patikit!
Let's go now.
Alright! Oh, si Lindsay!
Where are we gonna go?
I don't know.
Could we? No, that's like.
Doon nga siguro yung sewer ano nila. Doon yung sewer station nila. Di ba kita sa mapa parang may maliit na lake dyan. So doon nga sila nagtatapon ng ano. Diyan sila nagtatapon ng tubig. Oo, agos lang, pababa na.
Maganda rin na pahinga. Baka magkaganda din tayo dito sa dulo eh. Matapit yan, di naman. Eh, maintindihan gusto eh. Baka magkaganda yung mga bakit dito sa dulo.
Ah, ito pala, si ano. Hey!
Yung bayaran.
Hmm.
Ay, tanggalin mo.
You have a question?
Ayan.
Okay, this is the end of our biking session. Going back to our house.
See you next time.
Say hi!
Say hi.
Daming lamok.
Hi. Thank you for biking with us.
Maliliit yung
Lamok dito.
lamok dito pero masakit pa rin mga agat.
What do we do? Hindi naman
It's-
sila pumasok ng bahay.
It's going to rain again.